Okay, part 2 of this video, I'll show you that the defective reel that you sent has a washer underneath the nut that holds down the handle. Okay, that's not where it belongs. If you look on the reel from Amazon, there's 2 washers here, there's 2 washers here, there's 2 washers here. If you look, there's only one there. And the one under the nut actually belongs over here. So this was not manufactured properly. It also looks like it stripped the nut on, because that washer was in the wrong place. It stripped that nut up a little bit, it damaged that nut a little bit. So yes, that was the problem. And then you didn't believe me, and I just proved it to you that the first reel you sent it's not a matter of me not liking it or not being of my taste. It's you sent me a reel that wasn't manufactured properly. It wasn't put together properly. Okay, thank you.